Welcome to Jamaica, where everything every other country do, we follow.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call.
I had a miscarriage.
You see, a lot of people ask me, how long did I spend in jail when we get locked up for?
1 minute, fire baby, you get a tin of feet for free.
Somebody freeze one dildo, put in my back and give me for drink, you. Welcome to the social media countdown. Yeah. What you know?
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. I have to go and say happy Father's Day to all of the fathers them watching, all of the fathers them that support the TheDuttyBerryShow YouTube channel. I hope that you enjoy the day, you get some gifts. And let's just jump into this week's top 10 topics. Oh my God. No man. Whew.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Gio and Ken Back. Mr. UPs. Okay, burritos. So popular Jamaican YouTube couple Gio and Ken, they are back on YouTube. Now, they posted this video that began to detail, I guess, all that was happening behind the scenes and which would explain why they have not been posting on their usual, like posting schedule. So first up, Ken, she shared her story and this is what she shared.
My father had passed. Probably some of you know, probably some of you don't know, but yeah, my father had passed. That's one of the reasons why we stopped the YouTube, because I'm just never happy. Like, I'm depressed, like, I can't explain the feeling. I'm just never happy. And I forced myself for the YouTube video just to be happy, like, just for not cry, because since my father passed, like, we just get up like every day, constantly. We have constant headache every day. Sorry. And like, him call me one day and say him feel better, he might go home. And one night just to pick up the phone and call daddy. When I call him, I couldn't get him. But I get one text message saying he can't pick up the phone because he can't talk properly. But I said, but daddy just call me and tell me same thing by the time I go home. I'm just get one call. I just get one call from my mother. And she said she want to talk to Gio. And she tell Gio. And me tell me, and like, me said that me all did that tell them some must prank or not prank, this can't be, that in everything that's happened so quick. From the time we did our new intro, found out I was pregnant and there was a hint in the video. But yeah, we found out I was pregnant like a week before we did the intro. So, and I like so we never plan for comebacks. Yeah, we did plan for comeback and share the news with you guys, but I had a miscarriage and everything just gone back to square one. Everything just gone back to where I was coming from.
Oh gosh, man, no. I honestly have to give it up to Ken. She's such a beautiful girl, and she talked about the fact that she lost her father and then she went through a miscarriage. And we just know so that couldn't have been easy for her, and I have to really congratulate her on the fact that she knew to, put her mental health first, to step away from YouTube and to just enjoy a bit of normal life and just ignore all of the haters and the people who would have wanted to detract from her happiness. And so next up was Gio, and he shared from his car all that was going on online in terms of the rumors with scamming and all of that. He cleared up the air.
So for the past, when I never did on YouTube, I never go jail. I never go jail. Like, I see a lot of people ask me, How long did I spend in jail when we get locked up for? A whole lot of questions. So, generally speaking, I never go jail. You guys might see me and police on the road pull me over in a handcuff and stuff like that, but I never go jail. I never go jail. Like, we'll probably just get locked up. But I never go jail and sleep jail or nothing like that. So I can get that out of the way. You see me? Why police always stop me? Because I'm a car. Police never ever stop me and no scamming allegation, because I know most of them don't know where we don't know nothing about we, like differently from YouTube. You don't know where this come from, where that come from. So the easiest thing for you to say, oh, hey, this and that, scamming this and that. But yeah, police never lock me up for no scamming. I can explain some of the altercation them too, like it's always for my car. Always for my car. If either of them say my car too loud, what else? Something tilt, them always find some fault. And them always come off disrespectful. So that is when them get back a disrespectful reaction out of me. So them decide to, yo, them are going to take away the car, and them feel like that are going to hurt me if them take away the car. Because at one point, I remember, I never have a car. I'm a foot them. I did have at one point. So them feel like, say, yo, them taking away the car going to cramp my style. At one point, I told them that I take away my car every minute, guys. I leave it down there. For a couple of weeks, I think I leave the car down there and just say, you know what, f it. I think I'm gonna win, but just f it. When I never have a beamer, I never see me in an altercation with no police.
Yeah, man, and so the couple now they're back to their regular posting, and so I have to just say, you know, it's a really, really good thing to see them back, because they are pillows. They are like the Jamaican Dara and Ken, like, you know, them other foreign couples goals type of thing. This is, you know, the Jamaican like at couple right now, yeah? So it's nice to see them back doing what people know them for, you know, their YouTube online content, and I hope that they're at a better place and to just continue to stay away from, you know, all of the little knives in the space, okay? Number 9, Romeish Wear, Mshenyeng. Okay, so recently, Romeish, you know him as the popular businessman entrepreneur. Romeish recently gave his fans a little preview of his shoe collection, and when me I tell you say it is massive, take a look.
Boy, I just love shoes, yeah, man. Remember, this was just one closet, you know. Half of the better wear it, you know. Boy, the lady cost say, I just put all of my money too. What me I go do? Most of them are brand new, you know. I start beating them now still at summertime. I just up and go out every night. I remember this was one closet. We're not going on the second and the third yet. This is crazy. This is sickness.
Wow! You know, honestly, the best thing about this is that the brother said this is just one closet. So him have more shoes than this, you know. No, honestly, can you just give me an estimate for how much you think all of them shoes cost? Just give me a rough estimate right now. And for the people who are talking about Romeish need to give away instead of spend so much money on shoes, you don't know the heap of you know, good deeds that this brother has done. So just low him alone. If you want to take him money and spend on him shoe collection, let him do so, because he's giving away and helping so many other youths all about the place. Low the brother, man. People must splurge from what they want to splurge from, especially if they work hard for it. One of the things Barry does, sound off. Number 8, Father's Day, J.A. Me I like to 1+. Okay, Barry does know. So, you know, say Father's Day, Jamaican, and even though it don't normally get the big highlight and the big endorsements like what Mother's Day normally get, the fathers, them, you know, make them voice be heard in their own way. So I saw this video making the rounds, and there was this gentleman on the road, and he was basically just, hustling, you know, and he decided to just implore the people them, say, listen, the fathers, them need other things outside of just the pian. Outside of the punanash, they need other things. Take a look.
We don't want no front for this Father Day. We want basket. Yeah, no boom boom. Valentine's a front, birthday front, anniversary front.
Father's Day, we want basket.
And then moving on to this next brother now, who never hear about taste and buy, who never hear people sell rat pies and these things. This brother is actually selling babies. Take a look.
Hello, 1 minute, buy a baby, you get a tin of feed for free. Yo, sir, see you Lord. See you Lord, daddy. Buy a baby, get a tin of feed for free. See you Lord. Yo, daddy, see you Lord. See you Lord, buy a baby, get a tin of feed for free, daddy. See you Lord, see you Lord. Tomorrow, Father's Day, you know, daddy.
Oh my God! Wow!
No, honestly, Jamaica is just getting from bad to worse. But boy, oh boy, man, like so many conversations like each year. Hope that when it's Father's Day, the conversation can just move past who come off of the gelding truck, and people can actually give the same emphasis on the type of support and value as it relates to just proper parenting when it comes to the fathers them. Because the mothers them get all of the, you know, the yeah time and advice and support and all of them something there. But when it comes to fathers, it's just like, yeah, when I really give a rat's half. If you are doing anything in a kid's life, just make sure you say just go find something and breed it. And I think we're in 2023 now. The conversations and the support surrounding fathers, it needs to move on past that. That's all I have to say. But big up all of the fathers them who are actually doing good.
Now here's this week's random video of the week.
I don't want nobody wait for my birthday. I'm there every day. I'm out every day and looking at everybody's face. Every day. Everyone who love me every day. Now wait for my birthday.
Box cover Duttyberry here, and I have some exciting news to share with you. I have now decided to, build more of a community with you awesome people, and that is through channel memberships. So I've decided to do it in 3 different tiers, and so the first tier is level 1, and that is called box cover burritos. Okay, so that's for us $2.99, and then level 2, the second tier, is the My Word burritos. This is for $6.99, and then the final tier is the My Sentence burritos, and this is for $24.99. But burritos, you know them something here awkward for me to do, but you know what I'm say? We're big people. Me and you, we know each other from a long time and we can talk. So it's support for support, and I just want you to join me on this journey, because this will also give me a better positioning so I can do other content and really see how I can help this Jamaican content creation space. So join right now today. Number 17, Mom Aid. Oh gosh, burritos. No, this is one of the, what you call it, the samba moments of the countdown. I saw this video with a young lady, and she was basically just asking the public for help for to take care of her young child. Take a look.
Hi guys, my name is Abigail, and I have a friend named Mr. Douglas, Mr. Douglas, and if I can try helping my baby, a young baby I have is a girl, and his name is Mary, and if I can try help her with some diaper and feeding and some shoes and some ties. Guys, I need that help, guys. Guys, I don't have it like that. I was asking people if can help me, but please can help me some things can eat and my child, so I can feel happier. So go to school. I go to school, this Manon farm, and this from Potatoes. I from Clarkstown. I have a friend named Mr. Douglas, and she's telling me that if you can help me with some things. And I live in Kerry Park, and we can find somebody who can speak what I can live in. Goodbye.
Oh wow, and from that video you can look upon this little girl, man. This is a young girl. And we don't know the full circumstances, but boy, these are, sometimes you just see some things and you say, boy, certain people just don't deserve them type of conditions here, man. You get me? But luckily, she was able to come across a young woman, a woman who says that she's a lady of God. and she, you know, encouraged her to post a video, and she posted the video asking out for the help. And so I guess people, if they want to go and help this young lady, you can reach out to this lady right here, because she has taken on that role, and hopefully, you know, she is someone who will not be up to any nefarious activities as it relates to the handling of the money, and she will really ensure that this young lady gets the help that she needs. Boy, oh boy. Number 6, special ice water. Me agua. Okay, burritos, no. This video here, it honestly take the cake. I have nothing to say. Just take a look.
Brother, everybody know me love my ice water, you, but me talk drink water, father. Me talk drink water, no, I drink no more water after this. Look at him, look when I back, brother. Me have cut you up, me have to cut you up, me show no what go on. Watch it. I set up this. This a big setup. Somebody freeze one little, put in my back and give me for drink, you. That, no, sir. Me talk drink water, father, man. Watch it now, watch it.
Oh gosh, man, no, honestly. No one time, but no so. Oh, remember the song where Lali did sing about cornflakes and that is exactly what Lali was describing, because my God, like what kind of, how do you set ice or water in a one container if it just shape out like that? Cause that I can't just regular something that was sculpted. Jesus Pim. But yes, let me know, burritos, like if you did buck up this in your container, would you actually try to extract the agua from it? Sound off below. But for the people that may are talking now, they're not supposed to go on away, because well, if I want to use to walk around with the icicle, the nutty body and the little something them, and you get into it same way. Number 5, Shabba Shaking. Okay, burritos now. So this video now, it just take the cake. This has to do with veteran dancehall artist Shabba Ranks. He recently met up with Teejay, the brother with the, and he goes so, yeah, yeah, man. So he recently met up with Teejay, and trust me, people, like me never say strength in a handshaking like this. Take a look.
Yeah, man. Don't know the thing going on. Stand up, man. See? Stand up, man. Do the thing, you see me. Do the thing, you see. Do the thing, you see me. Do the thing, brother.
No, honestly, why the man just G's on Pim? This is one of my pet peeves when you buck up some people, and even though them say must have a strong handshake, but when you go literally go dislocate somebody's arm, like you really pop out the man, the arm sitting out of the socket, you cannot do that, man. Arms are not replaceable. Give a firm handshake, but you don't have to reach the point where you have to cut him ball and socket giant. This right is alright? I think so. I hope my teacher and I think some don't know. Science teacher, if you're watching, but did really listen. Okay? Alright. Thank you. But burritos, what you thought of this moment, and boy, just nice to see that Shabba, you know, still bought the place, still looking the same. So whatever the brother they eat and them are doing a film life, you know, like that is where it needs to be. But sound off below, burritos, let me know, what is your favorite Shabba Ranks song? Number 4, credit done. Burritos, I am not going to say a thing, because this woman is one of the most popular women in Jamaica. She is the most hated woman also, because of her voice and what it interrupts you. When it interrupts you in the middle of a conversation, you know, it make you want to find her and just tell her some things. Take a look.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call. If you do have enough credit, please hang up and try making your call again later. ID 2.
Oh wow, so this is the face behind the voice? Wow. Me know Paula and Porter do another voice for something else, but G's and Pim, that is that lady. I honestly also she get a good paycheck for this, because like for all of them sufferation there and them hateration there, she can get a nice paycheck. She's supposed to get paycheck every time somebody actually hear her voice. Like honestly, this woman is legendary just because of that statement. Please check to ensure you have no man. You know how much hurt that bring? Whew.
And now it is time for the big up segment.
So first up, I have to go and big up a car wash, that is AH Car Wash. They're located UE, UTech. Mobile services are available, so all of your car washing needs, make sure say clean out the car them, make sure say it smell brand fresh and new. Please to go and link them right here. So their social media pages right here on Instagram. You can make your appointments and they can come to you if you just feel lazy, or you can go to them. So they have a student and staff special as well as car clubs and crews discount. So people, make sure say you go and link them today. And so I have to go and big up living legend Usain Bolt, and of course scoring his goal during the Soccer Aid for UNICEF charity match. No, Usain Bolt just constantly has to remind us that he is just that international superstar. Like, if the thing is not no regular thing, like Usain Bolt just continue to wave the flag high, and hopefully the whole entire money situation can be rectified. Because honestly, when you're ready for bring down Jamaica, you know, it not gonna normal. It honestly not gonna normal. I just hope say they open just give you your money and so that you can't forget. Cause boy, oh boy, that'll make me nervous right now. Number 3, Wingy Hustler. Burritos. This is the feel-good type of stuff I love to see in my countdown. Like, there are so many bad things happening in Jamaica, but when you see the people them who actually get up in the morning and work hard so that them can look for them own, achieve them goals, and just to draw closer to a prosperous life, you have to really commend them. Because trust me, no man, you have so much waste people just about, you know, just like them just want to take away when people are work hard, and them don't have an idea how much sacrifices go into people actually acquiring the things that they that they're walking around with. So you see the brother here that goes by the name of Wingy, he is to be celebrated. Take a look.
What's your name? What's the man's name? Eh? Wingy. Wingy. I was saying Wingy. When you're hustling. Yeah. So one way you sell? Or just rock? No. Selling socks and it. Oh, you sell socks and a thing too? Alright, people. I will feel thing this. I was saying. So, are you there out there every day? Yeah. Every day? Every day. How long are you out there? 3 years? 10 years? 10 years? Wow. Long time upon him, man. Seeing. Long time you out there? For real. And the boss just convert a baby stroller in our thing. Seeing. Bless up yourself, Wingy. Go and handle your bangle.
Yeah, man, round of applause for Wingy right here. Anyway you see, make sure say you go and support him. Because despite his own challenges and stuff, you know, he's showing up and working for his own. And this reminds me of a moment a couple weeks ago where I was in half a tree catching up with a friend, when in the middle of the conversation, I hear somebody say, wait. Or the voice sound like say a TheDuttyBerryShow. And he proceeded to tell me that he actually was watching both 3 of my countdown videos them back to back, and me and say, wow, when me turn around, this is what unfolded. Take a listen. What's your name, boss?
Robert Williams, aka Dr. Pleasure.
So you say you're an artist?
Yeah, man.
What kind of songs you do?
DJ like dancehall songs, reggae, you know, a little alternative. We just mix it up, whatever the type of topic I may deal with and the flow I may get from the rhythm.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we just drop something dev up on it, you know?
Alright, so give you a song right now. Anyone?
More. You know it's Dr. Pleasure representing for the box cover. Boss, Dutty Berry. I mean, say, hustling hard every day. I forget the money cause the bills I fi pay.
Yeah.
Moral strong, they up the same way. Now follow them on the lean pathway.
Yeah.
Me hustling hard every day.
Yeah.
Me have to make the money cause the bills I fi pay. Yeah, me moral strong, they up the same way. Now follow them on the wrong. Big up every hustler. We sell the herbs on the corner.
Yeah.
No car, so big up taxi driver.
Yeah.
Food I fi cook. Shout out to the farmer.
Yeah.
Plant up the yam, yeah. Plant the banana.
Alright.
Me know inna them one bag of drama.
Yeah.
Me love me but me so pound the cassava.
Don't it?
Extra knowledge the son and the daughter.
Yeah.
Fi pay for the books and the private tutor. Me hustling hard every day.
No,
Dutty,
man.
I fi make the money cause the bills I fi pay. Yeah.
Alright.
Moral strong,
Yeah.
they up the same way. Nah follow them on the wrong. You fi make the money. Me nah go rob no man. Me nah bad mind and me nah scam no man. Me a spit big rhymes like Gully and Gaza man. Fi the big bumper girl them shake the bam bam. To the use them. Just easy, yeah, man. Buckle down in your studies like when playing a land. I don't know what the star for guide the nation out of poverty and starvation. That's why me hustling.
Alright, pull up.
Man.
No, you know, see, I never there some all the reasoning out in the Africa a while ago. And the brother, where you see a while ago when make you pick me up somebody there?
Your voice and thing, man. Me that listen Duttyberry countdown this man. About 3 of them I listen back to back.
Wow,
it's like we just hear the voice. I'm saying, wait, no Duttyberry that.
I never know say my voice so easily identifiable. I have to change up my voice so we go on the road now. But yeah, man, it's so nice to go back upon it from Lion Comedy Cafe days and stuff.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. A long time I do it, man.
Where the people them can find you?
I can find up on YouTube, search Dr. Pleasure. I have 2 of my songs them up there, Get Girl and Showfly. And you can contact me for bookings by calling 1876-433-8352. I also do the pastries, them have a lady will bake gizzard and drops and pudding and the whole works.
And you care about and sell and them some of them?
Care about and sell if you have overseas, have the thing locked, you know? Yeah, man. Bless up for the support. Hustling.
Alright, you know, make sure you say go and support him right now. Information, I'm gonna make sure I put it in the description and them something there. Alright? Peace out.
Man, box cover.
Yeah, man, you know, man, you see? These are the moments, man. There are so many people that have their various challenges, but them don't make it limit them. They still go out for what they want in life. And so people just take from these 2 men, you know, the inspiration and to just go forward and to pursue your goals vehemently. Yes, that is big words. Number 2, no $100. Okay, burritos now. So this video now, it saw a father and his child. He might get ready to picnic for go school in the morning, you know. And in the middle of that, the picnic come tell him, say, him never want this particular thing. Take a listen.
What? What? Because everybody I carry $200. I'm never giving Salaman $200 because I get $200. So I say, I want me have me here. You can't tell me say that you put in over the fitness. $100. And that me say I can't. I walk. You mean something that can't buy nothing. Lucky I go to jail, I may go to school, I may have. You may get $50, I may get enough. You may get $20, I may get enough to go to school. You're lucky they get money. Oh, you're going to tell me, you're not, if you get on jail, you're not go. You have to go in and say that, may I tell you. You take off my clothes. Kind of clothes? Oh, let me put on here and give you $100. Take off the back of that more you do. Oh, that more you do. What is? What do you mean say that? Hold back what? That me have no more. I thief you and me go thief bad man. You lucky me they give you something what me figure go thief. No man, this is for me to buy chicken back, my. Me no joke thing. Chicken back have you buy for your dinner for you know and dinner come more. Go on man, me no more money.
No, honestly, this is just a pure moment. It's the fact that the child could have talked to him father without like feeling certain level of fear. I think that is just kind of showing that the father has created a safe space for him to share his thoughts and the father still maintain his stance. And so overall, I think this was just a really good exchange. Once again, you know, so Pitney, the mother always want to watch how other people are look on them. So if him feel like him want him friend them things, say he might get a certain amount of money. I saw the Pitney them really think. But the father, the good thing is that he remain solid and ensure say, yo, this is what I have until I can do better. You will just have to satisfy with this for now. And so that is the message at the end of the day. But it was a really cool moment.
Hey, it's Maya, and you are tuned into the TheDuttyBerryShow. Keep it right here for more.
And number 1 goes to New Money. Whoa! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to New Monies. Yes, man, we are talking about the new bank notes that have been launched. They are fully on the road right now. And everybody and their mother is hunting them down. And so, you know what? Everybody are hunting them down. Like, I think there was an interview where actually showed people's reactions to receiving the new bank notes. Can you believe it that people actually went down to the Bank of Jamaica so that them could get the first-hand touch and feel of the monies? No, man. What in the Krispy Kreme is happening?
Good morning. You're one of the first customers in the bank this morning.
Yes.
You were changing over to the new notes. Tell me what you think about the notes.
Well, they're nice. I like them. I think it's a good thing. Yeah. Look like more foreign.
Comparing to the old notes, what are some of the differences you have seen?
Yeah, it's like a lot of difference. Yeah, I like them.
You like them? Which one of the notes are your favorite?
5,000.
And so for those of you who haven't seen it, let me just show you a slideshow of all of the new monies. Take a look. And so, you know, so Jamaica, once there's something new on the scene, you're gonna have the memes them, you're gonna have the viral videos them to accompany it. So just go watch them here.
Welcome to Jamaica, where everything every other country do, we follow. Now this is a new $5,000 note.
Inflation makes full money gone. Pretty like money. Nowhere else pretty like money, Mr. Green.
Alright, and this was the old one.
Let me see who was here before. Oh yeah, this one is Brian Winter, the one I have here.
No, why we have a fella? No, look on it. A plastic, you know? Plastic. Call him madam says, see that? Plastic.
People, we're tired of the old money, so they give it new money. Look them man. Jesus Christ, we get the money a while ago and I say, wait, the passenger give me £500. I'm going to go out to the new money. Judge, look at pretty. Look there. Okay. But guess what? Before they give you new money, who want a new road, who want a new job, you can give a new money, spend this bag of money. They think only I get away. Who want a new job, who want a new road, who want better pay for the teacher them, who want better pay for the police them. Who don't come and give you a print bag of new money. We tell you who want a new money? I said value it up, so I want to print new money for. I'm tired of you, man. I be a style on the use, man.
Gone away, yeah, yeah, yeah. Gone away, yeah. Gone away, yeah. Gone away.
But the ones that actually officially took the cake were this series of memes, you know, like descriptions, this whole entire script that was done by Legitimate. He's a social media personality, very, very witty and hilarious guy. Make sure you go and follow him right here, so for all of him viral tweets them, because on a one time and a two time him come up with them type of hits here. It's a regular thing village. So he did this and it was just like, honestly people, it just brilliantly done. It was well executed. Research was done. When you talk about insight, you know, man. Oh God, man. When I see them type of creativity here, like tears come to my eye, because you have some people them just stuck on the little hooks and phonics thing. You hear one little and them a laugh. Like when you bring in somebody who have intellect and you can fuse that with humor. Oh gosh, man. Jesus Christ. That is it. That is art. And so, to even top that off, you know, you had a social media sensation, Julie Mango. She jumped in and said the script where Legitimate did. And she said, you know what, let me go and take it to another level. I am going to dramatize that. I am going to bring in the JCDC Tyler Perry Oscar Award winning performances that this script requires. And yeah, man, she nailed it. Take a look.
If the heroes on the new Jamaican Money decided to argue.
Yo, Thomas Jennings, go over a little there. Mister, after all these years, the man them take what the man pitch. The man them take what the man pitch and want give to somebody else named Thomas Jennings. Boy, son, I make a rude to you. I Paul my name. Baptist Deacon Paul. You hear me? If I laugh, I can over in yesterday. Man, top your nice, man. All you feel say after all of the money you did have is a $50 them really come put your pan. Virginia, really go there, sir? Yeah. Nance, I wish camera you looking at. I yes, how you feel look, Nance. See there? After me no business. Me just hope them still call the money nanny. Because Sharpie no sound good. That sound like marker. Oi, Nami. Make them never just put your side of your son. Instead of your ketchup side of me. Cologne smell good though, my brethren. Oh, yeah, my cousin. Me not argue with nobody where come from Hanover. Plus Bustamante and not even your right last name. At least my last name are the right last name. And that you worry about? Donald, you're a little bit too close to me, my youth. May I smell your aftershave. Anyway, 50 days in the office and you're already depend money, my youth. Share, you must learn to share. Who dead first get longer rest? And at airport. is why them put us together. Because we share a special number. 5. Oh, you were the 5th Prime Minister. Yeah, you married 5 times. Up ye mighty race. Up till today. We never yet share a money space. Marcus, Mosiah, pa.
And so honestly, people, when I see this, me just have to say, boy, me even forget about the money right now. Right now, it's all about supporting the creatives. There is just so much talent here on this island. But Jesus, P-man, the support. They cannot get the support, but the talent is here. And if you think I just source a brain drain in terms of read and write, I left the country, you see the creative capital, I saw it go scooby away. Because nothing there. Nothing not there. I just said it, look at something there. But can you really live and maximize your truest potential? So you might have to take your wings and fly. Go butterfly to other shores. But let me just bring it back right now here. So I'm not getting none of the money yet. I'm still there with the regular money with just one person on the lease. And so I am awaiting that day when I actually can have the new money so I can show off and feel brand new and all of these things. Well, that is it. You know, we've come to the end of another social media countdown. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Yes, man, the like button, as well as to leave a comment down below and to let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Do not forget to share the video with your friends and your family, all of them, something there, so we can get to the 300,000 subscriber mark. Follow me on my social media all over on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, everywhere. And to advertise in the countdown or to get me for bookings, send me an email right here. So right here. So, okay, take care until next time.